la la la, brush all day. Shoo shoo, germs go away. Do 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 do, smile so bright. Dino teeth are pure and white. La 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 la. It's bedtime, baby shark. But first, no, no, no. Brush your teeth first. Baby shark is sleepy on, so I want to sleep, he cried. Mommy shark says no, no, no. First brush your teeth, row, row, row. Funny brushing part. Mommy shark with toothbrush big and blue. Baby shark says ooh, ooh, ooh. Brush, 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 left and right. Foam, 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 what a sight. Baby shark spits, dooey, dooey. Mommy laughs, haha, you're so gooey. Good night, baby shark. But first you brushed. Smart little shark, good night, sleepy head. Now go to bed, you funny spread. Daddy shark comes with a big warm hug. Baby shark still making a fuss. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Brush was yucky, I made a face. Now can I sleep in my cozy place? Good night, baby shark. But first you brushed. Smart little shark, good night, sleepy head. Now go to bed, you funny spread. Grandpa shark turns the light so low. All the sharks say soft and slow. Good night, baby, you brushed so well. Sweet dreams of bubbles and ocean swell. Final funny ending. Mommy shark is snoring loud.
Sweet dreams, little one. Rest well.
Bomb is coming from his mouth. Blub, blub, blub. Mommy shark whispers, what a day. Our funny baby shark, hip, hip, hooray. Shh, 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 shh. Sleep tight, everyone. See you tomorrow for more fun. Good night, baby shark. But first you brushed. Smart little shark, good night, sleepy head. Now go to bed, you funny spread. This is fun, Mommy. You're doing so well. All clean, ready for our adventure. Wow. Night is coming soft and slow. Tiny stars begin to glow. In a cozy room so warm and light, a little baby says good night. Baby lying in the bed, looking low underhead, looking out the window bright, watching stars in the night light. Baby whispers to the sky, I wish I could fly up there. Floating softly through the night, baby feels pure joy and light. Stars are singing lullaby, moon is smiling in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle everywhere, magic sparkles in the air. All says softly, time to go back to bed, nice and slow. Down they fly through clouds so deep, baby yawns and starts to sleep. Back in bed so safe and warm, breams are dancing in sweet form. Twinkle, twinkle, night is done. Counting stars was so much fun. I wish I could and touch the stars shining yippee, and touch the stars shining free. By flies into the sky, stars are glowing passing by. Dreamy sleeps with smile so bright, dreaming of the starry flight. For choo-choo, wait, what's that sound? Train is spinning all around, left or right, no one knows. Oops, the train forgot to go. Train was happy, full of cheer. Next stop is, I was just here. Driver checks the map again. Oh no, I forgot it then. Choo choo, where to go? Fast or slow, nobody knows. Tracks are long, signals bright, but train is confused tonight. Train goes left, oops, not there. Train goes right, I swear I care. It stops at zoo, then candy shop. Wait, is this my final stop? Choo choo, silly ride. Train is lost but full of pride. Wheels are turning round and round, no right station can be found. Monkey says I know the way, but he points the other way. Elephant tries with big loud sound, but train goes spinning round and round. Help, help, guide the train through sunshine and through rain. Lost but laughing, what a scene. Funniest ride you've ever seen. Train now thinks I'm on vacation, stops at beach and starts a celebration. Passengers shout, we need to go. Train says, wait, I don't know. Choo choo, silly brain. Train forgot its own lane. Beep beep, laugh and cheer. This confusion brings us near. Little bird flies in the sky, shows the train the right way. Hi, follow me, don't be late. Train says, oh, that is great. Choo choo, back on track. No more turning left or right. All aboard, now we go to the station nice and slow. Choo choo, now we know. Train remembers where to go. Clap your hands and sing along. Lost train turned into a song.
Oh no!
Is it an animal? It's moving. I can't tell. We should.
Five baby sharks were swimming around, eating everything they found. Burger here and apple a here. The yummy food is everywhere. Crunch, 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 what a bite. They eat all day and night. Four baby sharks were swimming fast. One ate too much, tummy got blast. He couldn't swim, he felt so slow. Too much food made my belly grow. So the ocean doctor came and said, stop eating like this instead. No more snacks, no more play. Eat carefully every day. Wow! Three baby sharks were having fun. One bit candy and started to run. But crack! His teeth got a break. Oh no, no, big mistake. So the crab doctor came and said, hey, too many sweets, go eat bread. No more candy, stop the bite. Brush your teeth both day and night. baby sharks were eating chips. One slipped and hurt his lips. Crunchy snacks made him fall. Oh no, no, this is not all. So the jellyfish said in glow, eat healthy food, don't eat slow junk show. No more chips, no more fries. Eat fruits that are fresh and nice. Whoa! One baby shark was left alone, still eating snacks on his own bone. He tried one bite, then crash. Oh no, huss, he couldn't even swim below. So the wise old whale came near. Listen, baby shark, come here. Stop eating everything you see. Healthy food is the key. All baby sharks then learned the way. Healthy food every day. No more junk, no more fight. They swim happy day and night. Crunch, crunch, gone, lesson done. Healthy eating is so much fun. Ava! Honk, honk, the bus is here. Baby shark sings loud and clear. Sit down safe, hold on tight. Let's ride together, feels so right. 5 little kids got on the bus. Laughing, jumping, making fuss. One stood up to wave goodbye. Oops, he bumped his head so high. No more standing on the bus. Sit down safely, join with us. 4 little kids riding away, talking loudly, wanting to play. One was running down the seat. Driver said that's not so neat. No more running on the bus. Sit and smile, don't make fuss. 3 little kids singing a song, but one was bouncing all too strong. He slipped and slid, oh no, oh dear, who's that? Baby shark said sit right here. No more bouncing on the bus. Ride it safe, no rush, no fuss. Put it! 2 little kids looking around. One dropped toys onto the ground. Baby shark said pick them slow. Safety rules you must know. No more dropping